Open the product protective case. Main body. Battery. Control point base. RTK module. Charging cable. Lexel Studio U-key. Data transfer cable. Complete accessories. Insert the battery into the main body. Insert control point base. Attach the RTK module. Installation completed. Press and hold for 3 seconds to power on. Blue light flashes, turns to a solid green light, indicating the device is ready. Connect the device. Click the red record button to start. Choose the scene and initiate the scan. Note: ensure the device is absolutely stationary in initiating process. After the point cloud data appears, you can pick up the scanner and start scanning. After the completion of data collecting, click the red button to finish and save the data. Press and hold for 3 seconds to power off.